Right here in Delhi, the Delhi High Court has dismissed pleas challenging the central government's Agnipath scheme. The court said that it does not find any reason to interfere with the scheme. It said that all petitions challenging the Agnipath scheme, which you remember was a army recruitment scheme proposed by the government. It is a short-term recruitment scheme in which soldiers are recruited for a certain amount of time, from which then a certain number are kept for a much longer period. Now, the court has said that the scheme was made in national interest. They've also said that it was made to ensure that our armed forces are better equipped. This was while dismissing the petitions. My colleague Ananya is with us. Ananya, I believe there were 23 total petitions. 5 challenged the Agnipath scheme. The other 18, I think, asked for the previous recruitment scheme to return. Can you bring us more details, Ananya? And then can you tell us, do the petitioners now have the option of going to the Supreme Court? Can you bring us more context?
Well, definitely they do have an option to go before the Supreme Court first of all. And now the Delhi High Court has dismissed all of these petitions, saying that the scheme of the central government was brought in with the national interest being kept in mind. And in fact, it is something that is very, very correct scheme of the central government. And definitely there is no kind of a fault that is there from the end of the central government bringing such a scheme. In fact, the court has also dismissed the petitions which were seeking a resumption of previous enrollment scheme as per the previous scheme in defense services. The court said that the petitioners do not have the right to seek recruitment, is what the court of law, the Delhi High Court, has said. Definitely a big verdict coming in from the Delhi High Court, clearly giving the go ahead to the Agnipath scheme of the central government. This was it was criticized very protests had also broken out across the country, but then the High Court stamping on this particular scheme of the central government, clearly saying that yes, it was a correct scheme and it was brought in with national interest being at the forefront.
Okay, thank you for bringing us so much context, Ananya.